Hello, this is Scott Hudgins at Dodd RV in Yorktown, Virginia, located on Route 17 in between Fort Eustis Boulevard and Denby Boulevard. Today we're looking at a used Forest River Flagstaff, fifth wheel, full-length fiberglass, nice awning. It's the model 8528 BHSS, aluminum rims, nice tires. Storage access behind the bunk, spare tire, ladder, stab jacks, connection for an outside grill, sleeper sofa, booth dinette, white overhead cabinetry, ceiling fan, stainless steel appliances, microwave range hood, door for your bunk area, nice flooring, TV, curtain to close off the bedroom bathroom area, wardrobe space, outside sink, queen walk around bed, shower, toilet, fantastic fan with overhead skylight, good storage.